Welcome to ZenInbox, connecting your Alibaba Mail mailbox using IMAP SMTP. Easily integrate your Alibaba Mail account with ZenInbox using IMAP SMTP for seamless email sending and receiving. Follow this step-by-step guide to set up your Alibaba Mail mailbox. Navigate to Mailboxes in ZenInbox. Click Add Mailboxes in the top right corner. Select Add Manually to proceed. Choose IMAP/SMTP as your connection. Click Next to continue. Enter your mailbox details. First name, enter your first name. Last name, enter your last name. Email ID, enter your Alibaba Mail email address. Click Next to proceed. Configure IMAP settings. Username, enter your Alibaba Mail email address. Password, use your Alibaba Mail account password. IMAP. Host, imap.sg.alien.com. IMAP. Port 993, SSL required. IMAP, TLS. Toggle on to enable encryption. Click Next to continue. Configure SMTP settings. Username, enter your Alibaba Mail email address. Password. Use your Alibaba Mail account password. SMTP host. smtp.sg.alien.com. SMTP. Port 465 SSL required. SMTP TLS. Toggle on for encrypted email sending. Optional. To set a different reply. To email, check the Set Reply To box and enter the desired email address. Click Next to proceed. Final touch. You can create a custom email signature for outgoing emails. Click Finish to complete the setup. Success. Your Alibaba Mail mailbox is now connected. You will see a confirmation message. IMAP added successfully. Your Alibaba Mail mailbox is now ready for sending and receiving emails in ZenInbox.